Hello guys on YouTube, how are you guys today? I want to apologize to you guys today. I just came home from work. This is going to be a little bit of a late vlog today. I apologize, I'm sorry guys, but today I want to talk to you guys today about my Sony's PSP internet browser. It really sucks. But this is a good device to play games, movies, pictures, books, and all and stuff. But this is not very good for the internet using capability. Now, everything else seems to load pretty good on this. And yes, and this is a Wi-Fi G only based unit. Now, how do I know this is on the internet? If I do have this switch turned on, it is on the internet. If I have it switched off, it's off the internet. Now, again, when I need to play my games or if I need to check on anything on the system for updates or anything, I have to have this actual plugged in and also on the internet. Now, the internet's not that great on this PSP. It's not really good to search top end searches, like say you search Google or YouTube. It will actually load Google. It won't load YouTube. It's kind of like choppy because it's a desktop version. It's not made for this little smaller half-inch screen, but it does the job. It really does. But let's go ahead and switch it on, and I'm going to show you what I mean. But this is a good device. I mean, I have it right now on the internet, and we're going to go ahead and turn that off. This is the searching internet thing here right there. That's what I'm looking at. But we're going to go ahead and click it on, and you guys can see I actually have something typed into YouTube's search box. Google's search box right now. YouTube is right down below, and if I hit the search button, look what happens here. Now, let me block that out so you guys don't see what's the information of what this is actually connecting to. But this is connecting to YouTube. I'm trying to connect to YouTube on this device. It just will not work. You guys can see here is the little status light of the internet that is connected. This is a good connection with Wireless G, but it is very slow indeed. It doesn't really work that good. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean. I was trying to look up something on this last night. To look up something pretty cool. You guys can see how really choppy that really is. You guys can see it's trying to load it. It just doesn't load right. But you guys can see we have this little piece down here that says still loading. I don't know. I changed the settings on this 1,000 times. It doesn't seem to do anything. I think I had to actually expand out the memory a little bit bigger on this unit for the internet to actually load. It's still loading. Now it's done. You guys can see now the little thing is done down there. You guys can see it just does not seem to work at all. It is really crappy. The internet's not really good on this. But it is a good gaming unit, music player, video, comics, picture player, all that kind of jazz. But I didn't buy this unit to surf the web. This website here is just way too advanced for this system to actual search anything. I mean, it searches fine. You go back to Google, you guys can see it loads up, the search results for all sorts of Google projects like YouTube Music, and everything else. Searches that's fine, but if you want to go to the home page, it doesn't really do it. You have to go in here, and you have to change all sorts of different settings. You have to go here, and go in settings, delete cookies, and all sorts of good stuff, that stuff. It's annoying, but let's go ahead and close the internet. This is just not really designed for internet using capability because it's a good device. I mean, if you have this connected to your internet speed or your internet router, this will actually work. You guys can see it was not tethered at all by any type of USB capability jacks or anything. This was just coming off the antenna's Wi-Fi signal off of this to onto this. Now, this unit does have all sorts of network capabilities. It also has, Skype. It has all network stuff like radio, but not everything really works on this device like it is planned to from Sony. But hey, they did a good job. But I didn't buy it for that. I bought it mostly to watch my movies, my comics, so you guys can see comics, my pictures, my music, my videos, and also my games. But this is just not good for internet browsing once at all. The internet just totally sucks on this thing. It just really does. But you guys can see, you can type whatever you want to type into the search box in Google. It will search it, but it's just not going to actually load the site itself. You guys can see I actually have it kind of all shrunken down for the format to actually work. You guys can see I'm not playing no trick sale. You guys can see it is connected to the internet, and the internet button is on. If I turn the internet button is off, you guys can see it tells me not connected to the internet at all because I flipped the switch off. You guys can see I'm not fooling around with this internet browser. But I was trying to look up something on YouTube because both of my iPods was both dead. That's why I chose to have a second or third device to actually watch YouTube videos, but apparently this is just not going to able to do that. You guys can see I have everything set here for to look up what I want to look up on this device. But it's a good unit for all sorts of different devices, all sorts of games, books, pictures, and whatever you want to do. But the internet, not very good. The internet just totally sucks on this PSP itself. Guys, I do not want to make this vlog any longer. Guys, I will, if you guys are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys, we'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. If you have a PSP, do not use the internet. The internet just doesn't work on this unit itself.